How's it going, everyone? It's Louis Crypto here with another Bitcoin update, and there's a lot to digest today. So we're going to run through some bullish patterns that we're seeing, but they must break certain resistances. And if they keep failing to break these resistances, we're going to attempt to lose the supports. Losing the supports will invalidate this bullish case and send us back down towards $40,000. So please stay tuned, support the channel, like, subscribe, comment, and share. We're under 50 subs away from hitting our 8K goal. Help me achieve that over the next coming days, and I will be giving two of you some prizes away over on Twitter. So use the links down below, enter the giveaway, and hopefully two of you are lucky enough to get the mentorship for 30 minutes and my ebook. Now, on the daily time frame, it's quite clear that a lot of altcoins are at key levels of support, setting up breakouts. However, some of them over the past few days, such as HBAR, have had a pump and then very quickly started to create a wick. Now, that is just suggesting that money is there, ready to come in and make our alts pump. However, we're not being given the green light to continue the pumps because Bitcoin has not yet broken out. Once Bitcoin is broken out and it is setting up a bullish move, just like all the alts, if it does break out, we're going to see the alts exploding. Of course, Bitcoin will, but our altcoins will do better returns. So if, of course, we fail to break out, and this is actually what we're seeing on altcoins at the moment, we're seeing the pumps, but they're getting taken away from us very quickly because we need the green light from Bitcoin. And another way that we can view this is that because we're not being allowed to pump on these altcoins, we're pumping and then dumping again instantly. Could it be that Bitcoin is not going to take advantage of this opportunity where we have reclaimed the moving averages before a bearish cross? This is called an EMA repel. And when we see this, we want the moving averages to be confirmed as support, which we've done over the past week, forming this double bottom pattern within this inverse head and shoulders right shoulder. And all we need to do is push through the level of resistance of around $43,300, which is the 618 Fibonacci, going from this low to this high. I'm going to get rid of this very quickly because that's just showing you the level that needs to be reclaimed, and that's directly in line with our neckline of our head and shoulders pattern. Let me just redo this target for you guys from there to there and put it on the breakout. So whenever this actually does eventually come, it's essentially targeting the previous high over here. I'm going to now show you in today's update some further confluence, just further confirmations of this bias. So I'm going to use my Fibonacci retracement tool on this move down. Why? Because we've already come all the way back up to that high. We're failing to break it. So I need to be prepared once it's broken. And that's the neckline of the bullish pattern being broken over here. So once we do see a break of the 43,000, once we clear 43,000, that area, then we can see we have potential targets all the way back up to this high, even higher than that point. And we are currently above the golden pocket, which means that we are actually anticipating these moves to the upside while this support holds, and that so happens to be the moving averages. Also on the left shoulder over here, the lowest point of support, $41,500, and that's smack bang in line with our golden pocket over here. So everything is telling me that if we're holding that left shoulder, also the 55, also the golden pocket, then we should eventually actually break through this point of resistance and continue to these targets, the double bottom target being here at about 44.6, and the actual inverse head and shoulders taking us back up towards $49,000. I'm now going to zoom into this 4-hour time frame to look at this a little bit clearer, to see what is going on with this double bottom and how it's actually failed to break out 2 days in a row. So here's our first bottom. Here's the neckline that we created at 43.2K. And this was our second bottom. In that second bottom, we confirmed the 200 EMA as support after losing it. So we potentially lost the uptrend, but we actually reclaimed it. And as we created this wick down here, we need to mark the hour. I've done that while in the group call yesterday, in the group mentorship call. If you want to join the Discord, we have over 30 people in there joining on Tuesday and Thursdays for the live mentorship sessions that I essentially teach you guys how to trade exactly and read the charts exactly like me, as well as going through any cryptos that you want to look at in that period. So what we're doing over here is failing to lose this low. So with that, we're failing to lose the 200 and this wick that we've created as support. So with this point over here is a high low as well as another double bottom. So within this larger double bottom, on the second bottom, there are two bottoms over here. So on the second bottom of the double bottom, there is another double bottom. Why is that the case? Because when we bounced from here, we should have broken out we failed to, so we're looking to lose the low. The low was not lost, and so we have another go at breaking out, and it just keeps failing to take advantage of this opportunity that we're currently seeing, which prices above all the moving averages on the 4 hour and the daily time frame. So realistically, we should be getting these moves to the upside because everything's in place for it to go up. It's whether it takes this opportunity or not. Remember, guys, we have multiple bullish reasonings for why a move to the upside is more likely, but just because it's more likely doesn't mean 100% it will happen. So I'm going to prepare you equally for the downward scenario, which again, guys, we can see over here there are a lot of supports, and as long as we find support above 41.5k, everything's okay for bullish continuation, as we're currently in the reversal wave, and that support is above where the creation of the reversal wave is. It's where we essentially flip this golden pocket into support, which we saw very early on towards the end of January, very early on in this range over here, and we've been consistently making higher lows. We just need to make that higher high that breaches this 1 fib level and then allows us free reign to pump towards back to this high around 49,000. Guys, that's it from me today. I want to know your thoughts in the comment section below, whether you think we will head lower or will Bitcoin take advantage of being above the 4 hour EMAs, having this EMA repel form before a bearish cross, also reclaiming a key level of support, and also seeing an inverse head and shoulders and double bottom in this location. Everything is in our favor of the bulls. We've invalidated this potential downtrend, and so we need to take advantage of this scenario that we're being given. But if Bitcoin fails to break out here, the signs that we're seeing on the altcoins with the failed breakouts, it pumps and then dumps instantly, like on HBAR yesterday, there could be reasonings. If Bitcoin fails to break out, that's happening for a reason, because we're not being given the green light, and so price should then continue lower. While we are holding that level of support, 41,500, I will believe in the move upwards. The moment we lose that, I'll quickly change. You won't like it, but I'll be like, guys, I'm no longer bullish. We're looking for short-term downside, and then if we can reverse and break out again, amazing. But we want to do that breakout right now rather than go down. So let's take advantage of the situation, see Bitcoin breaking out 43.3 to 43.5/6, and then we're going to see alts pumping again very nicely. Thank you so much for tuning in. Appreciated for the continued support. Enter the giveaway on Twitter, links down below. I've also got discounts at the moment on all my offers, so check out the website if you're interested in the course or the mentorship. You do get 2 months free in the Discord community with those options. However, you can just join the chat anyway. Go through the website, links in the description, and yeah, support the channel. Like, subscribe, comment, share, and I'll catch you in the next one. Cheers.